up guys, I'm back with a video. I've learnt my lesson from about the 10th time being fucking soaked. So if you can't see, my work oilers on over my letters. So I'm not getting soaked today. Look, that for a game of soldiers. So yeah, that's my big establishment. I'm not going to get soaked today. I'm going to be sneaked out like one of the inside because there's a load of traffic. I'm not turning right now, I'm not having like the loop. I still have the comfort of my letters as well as the dryness. So, you know, it's interesting. And they fit nicely, kind of. It's not for me, but it's my work anyway. So, no complaints there. Also, the Sena 30k is in the process. Yeah, that's one good thing about today. Well, it's actually Friday, but I'd make a video on Friday because and I got fucking soaked. Absolutely fucking soaked with it. So, yeah, most people are like, oh, you're doing good. All the time. As you can see, videos to do, easily 4, and I've just no time, so I'm going to do one this evening. And where are you going, buddy? Come on, maybe 6. You're going left, right, up, down, best. Rethinking water, so think about it. Because it's raining, don't mean you can't have some fun, lads. You know? You know? Have some fun with your life. Who gives a shit if it's raining? Don't let that be a move, kid. Hello! He's on the phone. Ha! On the topic of the new bike, it's a skill in him drop the leg. I don't know, I have another year to go anyway. mean, that thing will be like insuring a jumbo jet. What else was there? There was, I don't know what I get to in there. What else was there? Oh, what else was there? Oh, my mind's gone blank. Oh, Blackbird. CBR 1100 Honda Blackbird. So and that's just, they're surely relatively easy to insure. Surely. They're kind of a sports tourer beast. So they are.